Did you know that the peel of an orange or any citrus product contains a large volume of essential oil? In some cases, all these various chemicals are flammable. We use the essential oils found in the peel to make our flavors here at Nature's Flavors. Bill the Flavor Guy here. Today we're going to talk about making an orange extract or making an orange flavor from the title material. You can make a flavor all natural and it can be made from an orange or from citrus. Now I could make it entirely out of oranges, but I've chosen a few key items from other citrus like tangerines and mandarins because I'm looking for a certain character. When this extract is completed, we're going to put it up on the website. It'll have a product number and you can buy it and play with it yourself. I have in front of me 13 different citrus oils. Like I said, mostly orange. I'm going to pour them inside that separatory funnel. This is what they look like when they're all weighed out. They're kind of dark. There's one extra that doesn't fit into that beaker right there, and that's this little guy right here. And then we have our alcohol and our RO water over here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the alcohol in. This is 190 proof alcohol. You could use 200 proof as well. This has about 5% of water already in it. And we'll just pour that in there. All of the cumulative oils that we've weighed out. If this were 200 proof alcohol, it would actually stay clear. It usually doesn't cloud up until water's introduced. Be a bit of heating that goes on. For you chemists out there, you probably know why. I won't bore you with the details. And that's it. That's the extract. A lot of the work went into pressing and concentrating these oils somewhere else. We make it look easy because they're already weighed out here, and just behind the scenes there was a lot more work to it. But in the nutshell, this is the beginning of an extract. And we don't care about disturbing it right now because we absolutely want it to be agitated fully. So I kind of just spin it around in here, kind of get everything to mix up real good. Looks like orange juice, but if you were to drink this right now, you'd never touch oranges again. The product on my left has been sitting for 24 hours and you can see what it'll look like. This one will look the same way as well after 24 hours. Given enough time, it will actually go completely clear. All that oil that you saw me dump in on the first one has now separated and floated to the top. And obviously there's still something down here dissolved in the alcohol and the water. That's our flavor. What's up here at the top is still a lot of those oils. I mean, if we were able to take this and quantify how much is still there, I would venture to say that there's probably better than 90% of that oil still here in that layer. But the real neat essences, the things, the ambiance that we wanted from the flavor, from those oils, is now dissolved in this alcohol water matrix. It'll have more of a top note, more of a fruity but very clean orange aroma. It smells good enough to drink just like it is. It's almost like a triple sec, but we're not going to drink it. All right. So we started with an orange and 13 citrus or orange oil derivatives. We ended up with this extract right here. We have our beaker full. And it smells unbelievable. And the next video, we're going to show you how to use that extract to flavor some tea, in this case green tea. We're going to make a sorbet, and we're going to make an orange syrup or an orange sauce. So stay tuned for the next time when we bring it all together and make something tasty that you can do at home. Hope that you learned from this experiment and understand now how an extract is made. This is the Flavor Guy. See you soon. For more information on our flavors and flavor products, visit us at naturesflavors.com.